Welcome to episode number 21 of Turning $100 into $1 million, the series where I risk a whopping $100 of my own money in an attempt for your entertainment to turn it into $1 million. Now, I was going to promise that we would look at why I decided to buy DGLY, but I'm actually going to push that towards the next episode. We'll save that for a bit, just because we have a 2x2 special per se here. We have 2 dividends to look at that I received from my portfolio, as well as 2 more free stocks that I received, a 2x2. So, and as always, if you'd like free stocks, then you can go ahead and use my link down below, get a free stock valued up to $1,400 for opening an account with Webull. So we're going to look at first the 2 dividends I received. Now, of course, because it is a small portfolio, they're not going to be life-changing income, but let's just take a look at what it is. It's free money, and I was not expecting these. I didn't pay attention to the ex-dividend or payable date by any means. I just sort of flow through and unexpectedly. So I'm going to head over to my messages here. This is where you can see your dividend history. I'm going to go to the system messages. And the first one up we have is OXLC, ticker symbol OXLC. This one I received on the 12th, just recently, and it was for 13.5 cents. Sounds very small, but it actually does make a difference when you're dealing with such a small position, as it's not like all of my money is in OXLC, so it is actually something substantial. A little bit higher is going to be Viacom, ticker symbol VIAC, and that one was for 24 cents. That one I also received on the 12th. Both came on the 12th to me just about the same time, and those are the dividends that I received from my positions only on these 2 stocks right now. Other ones might have dividends coming soon, but that is what I got as far as the dividends. And DGLY right now, I'm still in the profit, even though it did take a nosedive after I got into it. It went all the way up, went through $5, and then it did take a large hit. But I'm still in the profit just because I got in at such a good price. I decided to jump in at $4.13, so that was a good price I got in. And if you didn't see me purchase the shares yet of DGLY and selling my shares of ABR, then you can see the last episode. If you haven't seen any of the episodes yet, as always, go ahead and watch the playlist. It's on the front page of my channel. You can just hit play and all the videos will play automatically for you. Just grab some popcorn, grab a drink, and you can watch all the episodes back to back in a row. So DGLY, I'm still in profit, about 4% or 352. Levi still in profit, up now over 4.5% at 120. And then Viacom, I'm up ever since I received the free stock, over 53%, $8.07. OXLC, though, still has room to recover. Now we're going to be taking a look at the free stocks I received. It appears that you can only do it in the app, so I'm going to go ahead and open up my phone now, and we're going to open up these free stocks. I didn't do anything before the episode, and I have no idea what it's going to be. It's totally random, but we're going to see what free stocks I get. So we have Webull open up now. I'm going to go to my message center here, where they told me about the free stocks I got. So there it is, a free stock awaits you, and my friend's deposit just settled. That means I can get free stocks. I'm going to click that. So here's my past stocks I've already gotten. So that was the free share of Viacom. That was the first free stock. And then 2 free shares of Levi jeans, which I have in my portfolio. All of those still. I haven't sold any of them. So we're going to go to right here. It says congratulations, you got a chance to draw a free stock. And you can see there's 2 there because you get 2 when you refer someone. Here we go. Get. Not bad. We got RF, estimated $11.90. Pretty good. Good value right there. Then we have one more, so let's see. It might be RF again. I wouldn't be surprised, as that's what happened with Levi, but we'll see. Let's go. Let's click get. And another share of RF, not a surprise. Again, estimated value $11.90. And those will settle in my portfolio. I think it takes about like 7 days for them to fully settle into my positions. There's all my free stocks I have now. I have now amassed a total of 5 free stocks in total in my portfolio. So great value there, not as high as Viacom or Levi, but still over $10, which is very good considering with Robinhood I still have not received any free stock yet. With Robinhood that has surpassed $10, the double-digit mark. I'll take it. My net account value, it was in the 220s when DGLY was soaring, but then when it went down, I was back under 200. But still, Again, we're beating the average annual return, about 180, 179.74 right now. So as a quick update for you guys, the next episode will feature the reasons why I purchased DGLY and a look at the current charts for the 4 stocks I have in my portfolio. So I hope you enjoyed that episode. If you did, be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, smash the like button, and if you'd like to see more videos, more episodes from my channel, be sure that you do subscribe, hit that big red button, and hit that notification bell as well, so you're notified every single time I make a new video. See you in the next one.